Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. We're really getting into a very interesting area now because as explained in yesterday's video, we are basically still in the expected wave count. We have now come into wave 4 resistance, and this would be an ideal time now to turn around and move down in the 5th wave. We are currently in an ABC correction over wave 2, and I would expect this overall bear market to finish in this region between $4.60 and $3.30. As soon as we really know where the top is of wave 4, we will be able to provide a more detailed target. At the moment, the ideal target would be around $4.16. That is the 1.618 Fibonacci extension of the wave 1. If wave 4 pushes a bit higher, the target will shift a little bit as well, and I'll keep you updated. But this is now really a decision point here. This is an ideal time to turn around. We have two scenarios here on the chart. I'm in favor at the moment for a direct sell-off scenario where we are turning around in this resistance area, which is relevant for the wave 4, below $6.05. Because if we really assume we are here in the C wave, which I do, which is the last wave of this wave 2, which would complete the bear market, then if we are in the wave 4, then this is the relevant resistance area between the 23.6% retracement and the 50% retracement, between $5.54 and $6.05. So ideally, we don't want the wave 4 to break above it, because if it does, it's most likely not a wave 4, and then we only have a 3-wave move down, and then we are in the pink wave pattern, which would be an extended A, B, C scenario. That would most likely, extend everything out a little bit. It would take much longer to complete this bear market. So I'm in favor of a direct sell-off to really get it done. Now, we've got here the small ABC. That's currently the primary expectation, ABC of wave B, and then the wave C to the downside in 5 waves. But as I said, if we break above the wave 4 resistance high, above the 50% retracement at $6.05, makes it quite likely that we are in this C rally, the wave C rally. It could still be part of this higher degree wave B, So the wave pattern is the same. It just means we have an extended one, that we've got this A, B, C pattern unchanged, just that the small pattern that we have at the moment morphs into a much larger pattern. Okay, so hopefully that is clear, and that is exactly the struggle we have at the moment. This is where we are and why we are currently in a decision moment here. So it all will play out in here. Keep a very close eye on the $6.05 level. We have an initial reaction to the 38.2% retracement. So that is here at 582. We have quite a bearish engulfing candle as a reaction to it, but that's not enough yet to really confirm anything. So I remain currently, my focus remains on this count, the imminent sell-off count, but I will have to change my view above $6.05. A sign or an indication that indeed we are already in the 5th wave to the downside would be if we break out to the downside of the yellow target box again. That would be the very first indication between below $5.54. And then the confirmation then, of course, as soon as we break below the $5.09 level, the wave 3 low. We can also add a trend line here. That will help as well. I mean, maybe we push a little bit higher against the trend line here. That will still be part of this wave 4 target area. And then from here go down. It's a very interesting time in this market because we're getting close here to the end. I mean, you can see that the 4-hour, the MACD is already reducing positive momentum. So that could be the catalyst to shift it down, to push it further down. But let's see. The MACD on the daily looks different, so they're kind of conflicting. But yeah, I'm really looking at the idea that we are pushing down. I mean, it all starts usually on the 1 hour, and you can see the 1 hour MACD already shifted to the downside, bearish crossover on the RSI as well. this is now moving over to the 4-hour chart, and maybe we will see it move on to the daily chart then as well. So yeah, it's all in this is the decision moment. So it's not time to switch off, it's time to be awake, to watch it, to make your decisions if you want to trade this, whatever. But this is exactly where the market is going to make a decision. Okay, and that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.